Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. This week we've been talking about two-digit subtraction. In subtraction, you're breaking apart a whole rather than combining two parts. This means that our strategies work a little bit differently than they do with addition. Yesterday, we practiced with smaller two-digit numbers, but today I think you're ready to subtract really big two-digit numbers. And we're going to start with our challenge problem from yesterday. Our challenge problem was 78 take away 37. 78 is a big number, but I know you girls can do it. And I've already set up our place value picture chart with our whole. And what is our whole? Can you tell me what number that is? I'll give you another moment. Yeah, it's 78. There are 7 tens here and 8 ones. That's a big number, but that's what we have. We have 78 as our whole, and we're taking away 37 from 78. So let's set this up vertically. So I know my whole is 78. I'll put that on top. I'm taking 78, and I'm taking 37, 3 tens, 7 ones, away from 78. So I'm going to start as always by looking at my ones. I have 8 ones to start with, and I'm taking away 7. So let's go ahead and cross out 7 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I took away 7 ones. So how many ones do I have left now? Yeah, I have 1 1 left. I had 8 ones. I took away 7 of them, and I'm left with 1. Let's look at our tens now. I have 7 tens, and I want to take away 3. So let's cross out 3 of these tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I had 7 tens. I crossed out 3. How many tens am I left with? Yeah, I'm left with 4 tens. 7 take away 3 is 4. So I had 78. I took away 37, and I was left with 4 tens and 1. What is 4 tens and 1? Yeah, it's 41. 78 minus 37 equals 41. You guys did really well with that. Let's try with an even bigger number now. Are you ready? Okay, our next one is 88. Take away 65. I made an error here that I'm going to erase. I have 88. Take away 65. Big numbers, but you know what? You can do it. So I have 8 tens and 8 ones here. I have our whole 88. And I'm going to set this up on our vertical subtraction chart. 8 tens and 8 ones. Take away 6 tens and 5 ones. Whew. Okay. So my whole is 88. I'm taking out 65, but can we do it? Yes, we can, because we're going to start with just our ones. I have 8 ones to start with. I am taking away 5. So what do I need to do? I need to cross out 5. That's right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am left with how many ones? I'm left with 3 ones. That's correct. 8 take away 5 is 3. 8 take away 5, and you have 3 left. Now let's look at our tens. I have 8 tens. I need to take away 6 tens. So I'm going to cross out 6. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 10s do I have left? Yeah, I have 2 10s left. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8, take away 6. You have 2 left. So I had 88. I took away 65. I took away 6 10s and 5 1s. And what was I left with? Yeah, I was left with 23. 2 10s and 3 1s equals 23. 88 take away 65 is 23. You girls did so amazing. I'm going to have us move on to our challenge problem. And that challenge problem is a word problem. I'm going to read it to you before we go. It says, Ava had 45 erasers. She gave Jazori 23 erasers. How many erasers does Ava have left? You girls have been working so hard. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work. Keep going on Zern. Keep doing your packets. And I will be back tomorrow to talk about word problems. Have a nice afternoon.